Sir, our PR team with Margaret, Pooja, and Gifty, we will be starting introducing about our product and why Vatika is suggested more than Backshoot. Over to you guys.
Good morning, sir. I'm Margaret from Team Creed, the Creed. So I'm here to talk the pros of Vatika. Vatika's parent company is Dabur. So basically, we are focusing on hair products. So all of us know hair products are very crucial things because nowadays we are living in various places like salt water, all that condition problems affect our hair, and we get like a lot of hair loss issues. So now Vatica's main focus is that we are only using Ayurvedic things. There's no chemicals. When there is, even if we are using any, like if the salt water and so many problems are there, we are still focusing on Ayurvedic thing, which gives our hair a very good, sir, protecting layer where it's basically helping the hair to get used to whatever condition the water is. It still gives a protection layer to your hair. It's not that it will completely take care, but it gives a very good protection so that it will prevent a lot of things. I'll hand over to Pooja for the next point.
And also, so Vatika hair oil contains a lot of Ayurvedic content in it, like lemon, henna, brahmi, triphala, neem, rosemary oil, and many others. So that will add on to the benefits of the oil as well. As she said, we face a lot of problems everywhere because of the water quality and everything. So these Ayurvedic ingredients will never have any side effects. It will only add on to the benefits. I hand over to Gifty for the rest of the points.
So, sir, good morning. I'm here to share my personal experience. I was born and brought up in Riyadh, that is Saudi Arabia. So, over there, getting pure coconut, that is virgin extra coconut oil, is not that possible as compared to that of, I'm a Kerala too. So, even my mom was a bit considerate about bringing my hair by using that is natural coconut oil. But on searching the stores, the best oil which we could get is Vatika hair oil, and even now this oil is used by me even now, since I guess since my childhood I'm using this hair oil. And also I would like to add one point, and that is my mom used to have migraine issues, so she using that is in case of any other oils we will only get the result if we use it on regular basis. But my mom can't use in that way because she's having migraine issues, and even when we go to school and all, we can't have hair all over her head on a regular basis, so we'll be using only once a week or twice a week. So in case of Vatika, we'll get the best results if we use the hair oil even once a week or twice a week. There is no need to use it on a regular basis. So in my personal opinion and from my personal experience, I suggest that this oil, like, it is the best oil which could be used by all ladies or teenagers or children or whatever the age group are in current generation. Now I'll pass on to my next team member.
Yes, sir, as you have heard, that is our stand for our product Vatika, and that is why we also suggest to the entire world and the consumers out there that Vatika is the best. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's time for Parachute. Google and team.
Yes, good morning, sir.
This Andrew's team, you can switch off your video, so we will come back. So all the teams of Google, please switch on your video. Google might be having some internet connection problem, so others please coordinate and proceed without any interruption. So please switch on your mic also, so it will be visible. Google, you have an internet issue. Google, you have an internet issue. So let others to speak. Somebody can coordinate, please. Yes, Tija, please continue.
And my team as a topic. Okay, sir. On my topic and my hair care in the Parachute. and my team.
Yes, Tija, please.
Good morning, sir. I'm going to speak on behalf of Dynamic Traders, and a product we've got is Parachute. Actually, it's a very famous and common product used by almost in all the homes, and it's basically all-in-one usage because it can be used for hair care treatment and can be used on our face, body, and also it can be used while frying or cooking in the food items. So basically, if we have a Parachute oil at home, it's actually a very good thing, and almost use it in all the products, and it's actually very good for hair. And for example, if someone is having some dry skin issues, it can be used as it contains a lot of saturated fats and it moisturizes the skin, and it promotes good hair growth also. I'd like to hand over to Riona.
Hello, good morning, sir. Can you hear
Good
me?
morning. Good morning. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, so talking about our product, Parachute is basically 100% natural coconut oil. Like if you take, for example, like Vatika and all this, there's a lot of inner components which is involved inside it, but Vatika is naturally extracted from coconut. So it's very pure for our hair, even for our skin, even for cooking also. And then like for our hair, like if many people are if they're having like hair fall issues and all, this oil can be taken. And even if you say for skin also, if you're having a dry skin, or if you're having a large pores on your face, or if you're having dark circles, this can be used as a remedy. So it has got a lot of benefits. I'll be handing over to Alvin.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good morning, sir. I'm Alvin Joseph from Dynamic Traders. So, I think I am audible.
Yes, Alvin. Yes, Alvin. Please continue.
So, as Riona said, it's 100% coconut oil. Not we doesn't add any components to it. So, like any other competent products of Parachute, major oil contains many of the components in it, like milks or any other natural herbs. But what our hair is needed is fully coconut oil. It is fat provided by the Parachute. It also contains some saturated fats, which is good for our skin also, and it is also used for cooking as well. So I think Parachute is the best in the market now. So people are it is number one used hair oil in the market now. It is because nothing like that, because whatever hair is needed, it is already included in the coconut oil, and which is we are packed in the Parachute. So I think it is good for our health also. So I always say that it's the best. So I hand over to Densi.
As my teammate said, Parachute is a coconut oil with pure coconut oil, and we are there in the market for our 25 plus years. And all these factors, like staying in this competitive environment over 25 plus years, is something great. So our customers believe us. That's the reason why we are there in the market for 25 plus years. So I hand over to Blessy for.
So, oil is a premium oil, and it is considered and recognized as one of the best trusted brands. And the market leader in this particular category has a large loyalty in urban and rural areas. And Parachute also enjoys tremendous quality of equality and trust with the customers they have in society. So.
Yes, is it audible? Next person can take over, right?
Good morning, sir. Myself, Shamali Joseph. Actually, Parachute oil contains 100% of coconut oil, whereas it is an advanced hair oil contain coconut oil along with fragrance and vitamin E. And Parachute is a edible grade oil, and it is a market leader in in its hair oil category, and Parachute mainly targeted on women of all the ages, and its brand has huge loyalty, not in urban sections of India, but also in rural areas. Actually, the quality of product has lasting success, consumers' loyalty and trust in Parachute brand, and it is user friendly. And I hand over to.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Rima.
Sir, one of the best quality of a product is a product contains rich coconut aroma, which make it apart from other products in the market. And we know that over 90% of the hair oil in Indian market is it's a chemical harmful to the hair. But we make sure that it is a natural product, and it's user friendly. So our product is the best product.
Okay. Team over. So now I request any one member from the team. Nikita, she is waiting. Yes, I already did. Yes. So any one member can be a leader, or any one member from each team. Can you please switch on your video and mic? So who is representing?
So this is Melvin this side from Team Creed,
Okay.
the first team. And
Yes.
I would like to go for the Vatika, the product that we
Wait. Team 10. Who is from Team 10? Team 10. Riona, can we? Yes. So other, please switch off your video. Only these two people can switch on your video and audio. Yes. So now I listened. So as a retailer, I am listened to you. You are both marketers, or the company you approached me to sell the products. So some people are speaking about the quality. So I am able to recollect only few words. The quality means aroma. And when I heard about Vatika, the more words are not related to hair at all. They are speaking about the skin, the glowness, but my customers are actually looking for some ingredient for the hair growth. It may be a hair fall, it may be a glowing hair, it may be a long hair, black hair. These are the things my customers are expecting. And my customer type is the person, they are not having a problem of paying the money. If these things are fulfilled, they are ready to spend money. So there is no problem with the amount or price, but I need these details, and how much frequently you will be serving. If there is any package, how it is convenient for the customer to use, to open it, because some bottles, if it is open, there is a lot of damage will be there. So with respect to these things, if you are so specific, I can give an order to you. Yes, over to this team. So now you two people have to defend yourself. Yes, as I am a retailer, I am just waiting. You have to start. Otherwise, I will say, please go out. Somebody has to speak, right?
Sir, can other team members support them? Team?
If they are unable to do, yes, they can. But as of now, only 1+1, because we can have only 1 minute discussion. If the persons are not okay, then other persons can jump in.
All right, sir. Should Team 10 be going first or Team 1?
Sir, I am a retailer. I am just standing. Anybody can start.
All right, sir. This is from Vatika PR team, and at first I would like to congratulate Riona on being totally on point by saying that Vatika is really a natural point. It is. We provide all natural products. Like gone are the days when you could sit in the balcony with your mom massaging your hair with pure coconut oil, leave it for 2 hours just to get the additional nutrients. But we at Vatika, we just don't concentrate on coconut. We provide 7 other herbs and other products, so that even if you leave it for 5 to 15 minutes, you get all the nourishment that you need in your hair. Go for your hustle bustle, busy filled life, with nice hair flaunting in your office. So
yes, that's great. That sounds great. Yes, Riona, you have any point?
So actually, if we take Vatika, what I feel is there's a lot of components added to it. But in case of Parachute, it's it's user friendly and it's consumer friendly, because from the olden time itself, people are consuming that product.
I want to know what is meant by user friendly or customer friendly. Whether I want the.
So it has got like lot of, because it's naturally extracted from coconut, and as you know, coconut is very rich in protein. So even this oil is very rich in protein. It has
Riona, both
vitamin
are
E.
coconut oil, both are coconut oil, both are hair oil, that I understood. But please be specific something. You are speaking about that easiness, user friendly. That means what?
So like, for example, like if you take coconut oil can be used as a body care, like it can be used for your face and all. So people, people who are having like pimples, or if you're having some infection in your face or something, this can be used as a face scrub or something. Like you can apply a small amount of oil, adding a sugar or salt in it. So it can be used as a face scrub. It can be used as a cleanser. It helps in moisturizing your skin. So all these aspects are being considered in case of Parachute.
Yes, that sounds true because it is having more utility rather than the hair. So over to team one.
So we do provide other product that provides all those utility, but we are not just sticking to one core thing. Like we just don't are based on coconut. Like our when Parachute is focusing on delivering only coconut. Coconut is just a base with 7 other products, so that coconut cannot provide every single thing that your hair requires, but we have coconut plus other things that would provide every single thing that your hair requires in this modern life. Our segment is those strong women who go out there every day in offices in this pollution filled city, where you are not just fighting dandruff, you're fighting all other heat issues and also other issues, and our product provides all those nourishment from all those things. So we are not just focusing on that one traditional go. We are the modern product. We are forward looking brand, sir, and that's what we provide.
Yes, Riona, my customers also looking for modern products, but you are speaking more about traditional.
Sir, actually, like if in coconut, like our hair is basically it's more needed of coconut, because it has got many nutrients in it, like vitamin also, and even lauric acid. So a lot of nutrients and a lot of contents are there inside the Parachute oil. So why to consume the rest of the why to go for any modern product?
Okay, fine. Thank you, teams. Thank you. Congratulations to team 1 and 10. So we will move to the next team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So others, please listen what they are actually discussing and what are the things we have to grasp and what are the things they missed. That also I have to keep in mind. So then next move to the team number 3 and 9, right? Yes. Yes, it's Raksha and Tejus. So it can be start with the Raksha team with respect to the Dabur Red toothpaste, one by one, just to take 3 minutes as a whole for the team. Yes. So over to Raksha.
So 3 of my members will not be able to come on video.
No problem.
Due to power cut and network issues.
Yes.
Yeah.
3 minutes. 3
yeah,
minutes.
okay. So I'll be starting. So we are representing Dabur Red toothpaste. So I'll just be giving a brief. As we know, Dabur Red toothpaste is like a legacy old company, and it focuses on a traditional Ayurvedic, a blend of traditional Ayurvedic usage as well as modern aspects. And since we are a legacy brand which has been over, leading over the industry from so many years, I think Ayurvedic. Ayurvedic is one of the oldest medicinal concepts, which has proven to have many benefits in many aspects of the body. So dental hygiene is another way where Ayurvedic can also help. So I would now shift it to pass it over to Ritika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, so I would like to be talking about the USP of Dabur Red toothpaste. So one Ayurvedic solution. Right now in this generation, we all see that the old traditions are coming back to life right now. So everyone wants to go back to all the Ayurvedic. They don't want to. There are still people who are looking at modern, but then I feel many of them right now are looking back at Ayurvedic because they think that it works. So one of the USP is that they get rid of dental problems through Ayurvedic solution, and also one main part is that it does not contain fluoride or toxic, which is an industrial waste and present in many toothpastes. So so Dabur Red toothpaste does not contain this fluoride toxic. So now over to Jacob.
Okay, so continuing from what Ritika said.
Jacob, speak as a marketing person with aggressiveness, not as a presentation. Right? Be aggressive that you have to promote your product.
Okay, sir. Okay, so the point, sir, I would like to put in front of you is we all have focused our shift towards Ayurvedic products, because just like Ritika said, we know what is the importance of Ayurvedic products in our life today. So now you might ask me, isn't there a lot of isn't there a lot of Ayurvedic toothpaste out there? But then I would like to highlight a report that is being published by the government, that is from the Department of Consumer Affairs. So they had done a comparative study between all the main Ayurvedic toothpaste, and they had come up with a sensory panel test. Okay, so what they did in the sensory panel test was they assessed 5 main things. One was ease of the use. Second is the sensation. Third is the taste. Fourth is after brush feel. And fifth one was sensation up to half an hour or 1 hour of use. So in all these segments, it was Dabur Red that led the, it scored the highest, and they have come to a conclusion that in sensory panel test, Dabur Red is the best. So when you ask why Ayurvedic products, that has already been addressed to you, and in Ayurvedic products, why Dabur Red, these are the points that is what is being told by us, and it's also proven by records from the government.
Yes.
Next,
last 30 seconds. Whoever want to use it. Please use the time properly. 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. So what my team has added, I would like to talk about the ingredients that we use in our product. So the ingredients are all of the natural ingredients, just like the clove oil. The clove oil is used good in fighting germs, sir. And we use pudina, which prevents bad breath. And we also use tomar beach, which helps in preventing tooth diseases, sir. And we also use something called sunthi. I don't remember the exact ingredients, but something like sunthi, which also helps in preventing toothache. And since it's all our natural ingredients, sir, so it has a very less chances of side effects, sir. And it is also proven, clinically proven, that our products, Dabur Red products, also helps in reduction of plaques, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So it's fine. It's over to Teju's team. So the team Raksha more focused on their USP, that their product Dabur Red paste is an Ayurvedic product. It's not like using a chemical, artificial things, etc. So as a retailer, now I had a feel that my customers also changing towards Ayurvedic product, but I believe Close-Up is having more chemical related things which may not be for the current customer.
So we also had points regarding pricing and everything, but
within 3 minutes, we cannot give a salesman 1 hour. Okay, there will be a lot of customers will be standing, lot of representatives will be waiting. So I can give only 3 minutes. Within this, you have to highlight. That is also we have to learn from marketing. Okay.
So the quality aspect was also one of our main focus.
That's fine, sir. Within 3 minutes, you have to make a marketing sales presentation. Okay.
It's okay. You'll call us again, so we'll tell them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Tejus.
Sir, talking about
Gifty, somebody call Gifty. Yes. Yes, Tejus.
Sir, talking about Close-Up is one of the.
Hello. Somebody please call Gifty to mute. Yes, Tejus.
Talking about Close-Up is one of the very first India's based gel toothpaste. It is brought into India by Unilever, and it is an American-based company. And talking about American standards, they don't allow any product which has any kind of defects, and they have minimum quality standards. So Unilever also doesn't introduce anything which is of low standards. So we're talking about Close-Up. Close-Up is known for its last-longing breath, and it is the synonym of Close-Up itself is fresh breath and confidence. Over to Sneha for the next point.
Being
First, gel-based toothpaste. It is designed with cavity-fighting formula, which leaves the teeth fresh as well as strong. It helps in lifting the stains and whitens the teeth, while the cinnamon flavor helps preventing burning. Now over to Angeline for further.
Fast, fast. Don't make the customer to wait.
Sir, our toothpaste has fluoride content, which helps to
Teju's
restore
team, the
enamel.
product is close up. Always they focus the product with a smile, but nobody is smiling in your team.
Our toothpaste has a fluoride content, which helps to restore enamel and prevents loss of minerals that happens due to it. Okay, over to Messi next.
Yeah, good morning, sir. So as my team has already been saying about the toothpaste so far, we were the first brand to introduce gel toothpaste in India, which is definitely one of the biggest advantages that we have got. We brought in a revolution in the case of toothpaste in that case. So in that case, we are way ahead of the other toothpaste. And that is our first number one advantage. And the thing is that although there was a slower adoption rate in the beginning, people slowly, gradually, they began to like gel toothpaste with the usage of it. So what our consumers who are already using it is what they say is that gel is way softer than other toothpaste. It has a different taste in the mouth, and it is dissolved easily, it is dissolved quickly. So therefore, they are more comfortable than using it than other fluoride toothpaste. So that is one thing that we offer to the consumers. That is something different from the other toothpaste because we are a gel toothpaste. Apart from that, what I'd like to focus on is our toothpaste comes with a number of benefits, and it has a lot of added flavors that are opposing a brand does not have. So that is, we have active zinc of increased 10% active zinc we have in our toothpaste, which helps in fighting germs. And for better results, obviously, we need to brush daily twice. And apart from that, we have the cinnamon flavor, which all of us know it is really good for the teeth. It's good for tooth health. That is also an added advantage. And apart from that, we also have eucalyptus and lemon mint. This is also present in the product. So we are giving a whole range of benefits within our single toothpaste. And we ensure that our consumers always get the quality for whatever they pay.
Sir, our group member Thomas has used close-up today, sir. Look at his teeth. Smile, Thomas. See, sir.
Sir, I am unable to see, sir. Ask him to switch
Thomas,
on the mic and see.
Show
Okay, sir.
Show your tooth.
Yeah.
See, sir. This is the benefits of close-up, sir.
Good.
Close up the customer.
Yes. Time is over. Time is over. Smile is enough. Okay, thank you. So back to Raksha and Teju's team. So now, as a reader, I understood that with respect to the Raksha team, you are more focusing on the Ayurvedic thing. That is regarding Dabur Red. It is more much Ayurvedic. Yes, some people are still looking for the traditional things coming back. But another side, the Teju's side, the close-up. Still now, the close-up is dominating in the gel. So when somebody is using a close-up in the morning, they have a very good sweetness. But somebody is using a red toothpaste or something else, it has some different thing in the morning. So that is the challenge. So one thing is Ayurvedic is advantage for Dabur, and gel is advantage for close-up. So how? So please say me any unique things for both the teams. Just 5 seconds. Anyone from the team?
Sir, we are Sudhakar will speak.
Yes.
So Sudhakar, sir, from EOS team. So like I'm wearing EOS t-shirt, sir. I want to show this to.
Yeah, wow, very good.
Okay, sir. So Ayurvedic. So we as a Dabur product, we focus on middle class people. So let me give an example. Okay, so when I was small.
Sudhar, I said only few seconds. You are just concluding. Say one like advertisement. Just to give just one catchy line. That's it.
So, sir, we target village peoples and middle class people, so everyone can afford with Ayurvedic. So, village peoples and middle class.
Yes, that's it. Over. So, from the conclusion of Sudhar, I can understand this Dabur Red can be sold only in the rural or with the middle class people. You are a higher end people, or if you are urban people, don't use Dabur. That's my understanding. Yes, over to Teju's team.
Sir, Close-Up meets the ADA standard, sir, and it is sugar-free. Sugar-free sweeteners only they use. They don't use sugar products. It's sugar-free sweeteners which is used, which is more competitive than Ayurvedic. Ayurvedic will have sugar content. It doesn't. But Ayurvedic is good for traditional based people. But a gel-based for toothpaste is always preferred over a Ayurvedic-based toothpaste.
Yes, thank you, Tejas. So from the close-up, I am able to understand those who are want to look young or modern with the gel things, they can go for close-up. But somebody is looking for actual care about the tooth with the Ayurvedic means they may not prefer this. That is the two negative things I am able to understand. So please, later the other teams, please understand. Whenever you are saying some positive things, it should segment all the people. As Sudhakar said, it is rural. That means that it automatically says it is not suitable for urban. And when he says it targets only for this segment means, that is middle segment means, it discourages the upper segment to come in. So when we are doing a positioning, we should be very careful, or you have to straight away say, yes sir, these only the persons are my customers. That is not possible in FMCG. So that's the learning. Yes, over to next team, Hariharan and Reshma. So please be fast. Yes, Dabur Honey and Lion Honey. Yes.
Yes, sir. So we'll start with Dabur, sir, or
yes,
Reshma wants to start?
Yes, Dabur. Yes.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. So I'm me and my team are representing Dabur Honey. Dabur Honey is certified as the #1 world's best honey in 2019-20, and I'm a personal user of Dabur Honey, and Dabur Honey has many uses. So my entire team will be explaining on that one. And
Hari, only 3 minutes, Hari. So please stick on to that. We have only 10 more minutes
as well. So I just want to show a best example. Dabur Honey is used for, Dabur Honey is best to reduce weight and many other things. Best example would be me. This is me before using Dabur Honey, and this is me after using Dabur Honey. So yeah, my team will be explaining more on that one. So over to Angela for.
So talking about the product ingredients as opposed to the other brands, like Dabur Honey does not include any corn syrup, sugar, jaggery or any other added preservatives. It is 100% like, pure quality honey, and we have specific places to collect honey, that is from Himalayan region, Sundarbans and Nilgiris. Also before coming into market, we go through around 60 quality checks. So yeah, about the pricing, Anisha will be talking about.
Yeah, so speaking of the price, there are different variants for Dabur Honey starting from 20 ml till 1 kg. They have different variants, and the best part is that because of their quality, it is little pricey, but then they do not compromise for their quality because it is their target audience is people who are more healthy towards their health. So it is little pricey, and they do not compromise on that, because there are other honey variants where they reduce their price, but the quality isn't that great. So Dabur Honey is really good based on the quality and the pricing, and also based on their packaging. They have this one variant where they have the squeeze variant, which is really handy, and they don't have to you don't have to really use a spoon or anything like that. So it's very handy for people who's on the run, like in a rush or something. They can just use the squeeze bottle. Yeah, so that's really comfortable for the users.
1 minute more.
So next we have both the promotion and places will be taken by Alan and Alina and Janani.
So I'll be covering about the places aspect. So the Dabur company has a wide distribution network covering 6 million retail outlets with a high penetration in both urban and rural markets. It has a huge presence in the overseas markets and are today available in over 120 countries across the globe. Its brands are highly popular in the Middle East, SAARC countries, Africa, US, Europe, and Russia. So to sum it up, our company is really popular and has a very good global reach. Over to Alan and Alina.
Sir, I'm going to talk about our brand ambassadors and why do we choose them.
30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. You have to conclude.
Yeah, Dabur Honey always associate with leading fitness icons like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Vibhasa Basu, Shilpa Shetty, like that. So this is like in the previous year we have signed in famous Bollywood celebrity Jacqueline Fernandez. Jacqueline is an actor and also a hardcore fitness enthusiast, and shares Dabur's Honey's aspiration to make Indians adopt a healthy lifestyle as their lifestyle fitness regime. So with Jacqueline's associating with the brand, we hope that more and more consumers will get inspired by her health and fitness and adopt Dabur Honey into their lives.
Okay, thank you, Dabur Honey. Over to Lion Honey.
Good morning, sir. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
guys.
Yes.
We are Team Synergy, and we'll be talking about our product, that's Lion Honey. So health is really important for everyone, right? So being healthy should be a part of your overall lifestyle. So being healthy means we have to prevent all these kinds of chronic diseases and long-term illnesses. So our product is very pure and healthy. It also contains proteins, carbohydrates, sodium, potassium, and a lot of things. And also we don't add any added preservatives or coloring. So when it comes to our packaging, it's really handy and we make sure it's affordable to everyone. So it's ranging from 15 grams to 1 kg. And for 1 kg is around 188 rupees. And it also prevents a lot of things like, preventing cancer, heart diseases, and sore throats. So that's about it. And over to Thomas for the rest of the explanation.
Good morning. Good day to the healthy life. Because we are here, the Lion Honey. We directly collect the most soothing honey from the farmers, pack it with the most care to give you the heavenly feeling of honey on earth. We pack our products in AG standards. These standards are required to sell agricultural products in India, along with the SAI. We have both. The other honey brands claiming that the huge market share doesn't have any sort of AG mark standards on their official sites. I think this is what makes our product unique in market.
Thank you. Next one. Last 1 minute.
Lion Honey is known for its uniqueness. We try to provide our consumers with the pure and rich honey we can extract. Lion Honey is extracted from the Kashmir valleys. In Kashmir, there are a lot of exotic flowers which makes our nectar more sweet. And we avoid all sorts of chemicals and only focus on natural sweetness. So Dabur Honey is unique in that forms, and it especially is extracted from Kashmir valleys. So now I pass it on to Fiba.
Yes, Farsi, welcome. This is the first time we are seeing you in the class. Welcome.
So Lion Honey contains energy, proteins, carbohydrates, natural sugar, sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Next, over to Jason.
Sir, in this product,
this is the last thing, last presentation. Okay, I have to cover up in 30 seconds. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
The Lion Honey is rich in natural contents, as Feba said. So the main two contents is calcium and iron. Calcium content helps in strengthening our bones and helps to prevent premenstrual blues. And same as the calcium content, iron also play a vital role in Lion Honey, and it prevents anemia in pregnant women and helps to providing strength in immune system and improve hemoglobin. If I can conclude my all points, I would say that Lion Honey helps to increase our life expectancy if we use it in a good way. I will pass it over to Mabin.
Yes, that's over. Your time is over. I said 30 seconds, right? So now I listened to the two top players in the honey segment. So what I heard from Dabur Honey is, Dabur Honey, they are saying it is more quality, and I heard something related to the different packaging they are serving with, and it is a pure, like that I heard. And they themselves accepted it's a costly. So if it is so costly, mean how you can penetrate with the normal people who looks for a cheaper or economic price. Okay, so for the substitute of sugar, how they can use, that's a question to them. And when I come back to the and again for the Dabur, when I see the Lion Honey, there are packaging will be there with the offers and discounts, promotions. But Dabur, when I'm going to the retail outlet, I'm not able to see more promotions. Why? Over to the Lion Honey. So with the entire presentation, you are speaking about only the ingredients, okay, like potassium, sodium. So these are all the ingredients of the honey, not the ingredients of Lion Honey. So what is your uniqueness? Both are honey, both are extracted from the very good place, both are having quality, is fine. Yours is little bit priced less than Dabur. That says that your quality is little bit less. You might be giving discounts, you might be promoting more. That means that your quality is less. That is my perception. So over to both team leaders, just to conclude with 30 seconds, defending your product. Just a conclusion.
Okay, sir. So yeah, sir. So basically, Dabur, we don't promote much because Dabur is a number one brand. We don't have to promote ourselves much. We are only into like providing good quality. So everybody knows Dabur is a company. We are into major things, and honey specifically, it's followed by many other trainers and fitness as well. So Dabur is we don't have to do much promotion. And yes, sir. Coming to the pricing is more, sir, because we don't reduce the quality. So and producing honey requires a lot of money. So if we try to, we have to bring in some amount of profit as well, but we can't reduce the quality, sir. So our main
Yes,
intention is
yes. Thank you. Over to next team. Yes, conclusion of Lion Honey. Reshma?
Sir, can I talk about it?
Yes. Please
Okay, sir, our
conclude.
quality might be less compared to Dabur, but we actually provide safety to our consumers, and overconsumption of our honey would not bring any problem or any sort of allergies to our consumers. And other than that, we also make sure that it's available to all the people, and it's also affordable to every sort of different customers. So when it comes to that, I think honey is actually doing a pretty good job, and we also help with constipation and different forms of digestion.
Okay, thank you, team. So now I request the balance 4 team leaders to come online. Others, please switch off your video. That is Neeraj, Josephine, Minnu, Joel. Please switch on your video and also your audio, so you'll be visible. Yes, only 4, right?
So I think Minnu has a network
leaders,
issue.
Only leaders. Any one from the team? Most probably leaders. Yes, Neeraj is there. Josephine?
Yes, sir.
Josephine?
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Yes, Josephine is there. Then Joel?
So since Joel is facing some problem, I'll be leaving.
Okay, so any other team left? Minnu, right?
Yeah, Minnu, sir, even she has a network issue.
So who is representing Minnu?
Sahil.
Yes. So
okay,
please,
maybe.
Anyone. Yes. So now the team number, the balance team will have a discussion in the next class, especially for glucose, and another one is Tropicana. We both are related to juice basing. We'll have a discussion in the next class. Now all the 4 just to share what is the learning from this activity. And I requested you people to remind me before 10 minutes you are not doing. So we will take 1 more minute and we will conclude. Okay. So please remind me also regularly. Yes. So just to conclude 30 seconds, what is the learning from this activity with respect to the marketing? Then we'll end up the session.
So for me, I think the main learning was that it's not always the negative that we have to talk about the competition. If our pros are bigger than the competition, I think it will be self-evident that our product is much more superior than the competition that's already available.
Yes. So my comment I am expecting from you, what way we are representing, what are the things we can be corrected in the future teams, because a different presentation by different. So how it can be done, like that it can be conclusion. Yes. Next. Fast. Somebody took.
How they go about marketing themselves, like mentioning each point in a systematic way, so that the customer is aware of the ingredients which are present in their product. So customer awareness is a main role. So that if the customer doesn't understand what is the manufacturer or the retailer selling, then how is he going to buy the product?
Very
so
good.
the way they communicate, it's the main key.
Yes, so the first learning is there is no need to speak about the negative of thing. We can highlight our positive. Next thing is when I am speaking, I have to be very brief in explaining to the customer what are the futures and benefits to the end customer. Yes, next one.
So I think so. I mean, like however we present our product, customers will have questions about it. So how we deal them, that's one of the important things we have to.
How we have to deal? How we have to deal? What is your suggestion?
How we have to do? Yes. Sir.
What is your suggestion? How we have to deal?
How, I mean, like, see, everyone will have their own questions. So it depends how we solve them. I mean, like, how to make them understand
so
how our product is better than the.
Yes. So I will try to help you. So rather than speaking about our plus, whether it's listing the things, we have to understand the customer need, what he actually is looking for.
Yeah.
Whether he is looking for a price or a quality or a distribution, we have to answer only to that question. Otherwise, it will become a lengthy presentation. That may be his suggestion. I am taking last one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my understanding was rather than focusing on other things. We have to focus on grabbing the attention of the audience. So only when the audience listen to us, we can do the marketing. So I saw a team where they told, today I brushed with the close-up teeth. So I was looking at him and I was smiling at him. So that means they're grabbing our attention. So grabbing attention of the audience is very important. So to grab attention, we have to make sure that we come up with anything unique and attractive to them.
Yes,
Something
exactly. Yes, good. As Vaishnavi stated, if you can say some advertisement, they won't speak about a product, they won't speak about a brand, they won't speak about any features, but they will try to have some appeal. So using a celebrity, using some model itself is appealing. When you are appealing to the particular brand or product, automatically you will follow the brand. That is also another suggestion. Okay, so yes.
Sir, I had a meme, sir, so I couldn't share that.
Yes, please, fast. Sir, it's time over, sir. Yes, please. So friends, a very nice discussion. I will be creating a chat option in our LMS. Later when you get time, whatever you felt today, just to share. Don't think more. Whatever you felt today with respect to your topic, you can share later in the LMS. It will be open soon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I'm very happy to see EOS team having a t-shirt. I don't know whether Sudhagar alone is having, all are having, I don't know. Sudhagar, are you there?
1 second, sir. I'm doing meme. Just 2 seconds. Sir, I've sent to Raksha now. Raksha will screen share, sir. 1 second.
No, I'm checking. I'm attending the class through laptop. You send it on WhatsApp. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to do that.
Sudhagar, these all things has to be planned earlier, Noda. You should inform me, no?
No, sir. Just a thought doing on the spot just now. Sir, give me.
Sudhagar, just send it to me then. So send it to me.
Yeah, send it to Jacob.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, visible. You have to explain. Yes, fine.
Sudhagar will do that.
Yes, what we have to understand. We are Ayurvedic product. People like us. What we have to understand.
Sudhakar, you're on mute.
Yeah, Sudhagar, unmute.
So most of the Kirani stores we see Dabur paste, and people go for Dabur, sir. So instead of using close-up or close-up, people go for Dabur. That's my intention. People like more Dabur than close-up because it's natural. That's what I want to say.
Okay, good.
So most of the Kirani stores here, I see Dabur is there more than Colgate or close-up. Dabur is mostly getting sale. That's what I want to say in this meme.
Yes. Nice, Sudhagar. So appreciate the team for this initiation, Rakshak. Good. So thank you all. So any queries, any doubt, any suggestions, you can post me privately or you can post through your leader. Okay. So can we have a break now?